Electron 1100 Deluxe A3190. This program hates manuals. I think the actual spin is somewhere around there. It is.
H.
Before, I think if you want to do the X, I don't know if these do the 500 burst and stop and redistribute.
I don't know.
I think it might have just been the A36 that did that, maybe. The A3110.
Does yours do the pump like that?
Yeah, it goes like it's like really loud. Maybe I shouldn't put that sound on there.
Maybe the drum's wonky.
How was it? The spin on these is like 14 minutes long. So.
I thought it was like.
Oh no! If you do the extra, if it does the 500 burst first, then it will. Although they faff about distributing for a long time. What's that on there?
Carry pot.
I want to get full. I can still smell that motor. I can. Might have been the belt, maybe. I don't know. What's that? Are you sure you want to do that?
If you want to.
Okay, I'll put it in the hot point then.
Don't use it though, because this is like 18.
Okay, actually I'll keep it on display. Wait, I don't really use it. I keep liquor as a present. Yeah, that's sort of my A32.
That's my favourite thing about this one, and then the spin did.
I spent like a minute and a half distributing those. No one below us, is there?
Yeah.
Oh. No, it sounds different to mine when it does. Hope this doesn't go through the floor.
Gets more stable.
It does, yeah. Normally 500 starts okay, 800 they go mad, then 1100 settles down. My whole head's vibrating. I guess it would come in handy parts of the A36. That's the only thing though. I guess it could be more like a replacement for it, unless you keep that reservation.
You could use that.
And just just keep the A36 on display.
It's exactly the same.
It is. That's what probably my plan was, to get an Electron instead, and then just. Oh, you should keep Electron though.
I'm coming for a
Keymatic, eh?
A3060 style.
Oh, the A3062, yeah. That's the one I want as well. This is basically an A3110.
Yeah. So this was made in the first month of production of the A3190.
Yeah, because it's.
I think it's like March 1982 that this one was made.
Yeah, this is the first Electron scissors.
Ever.
Yeah, Electron Series 1. Basically the smooth range. I think the best spin I've ever seen.
Better than the A3060?
Yeah, oh, well, the A36 is the same way. It goes down, drops down really far and comes back up. Downstairs?
I've got no idea. My dad makes it. So
oh, okay.
Probably best we don't mention that. Actually advances when it switches off. It's got anti-crease yet.
Just long tumble, isn't it?
I think it anti-clockwise as well.
Let's have a look, because mine just like it sort of distributes.
I do love the pump so much.
I love it, yeah. Because Mike's video of the Keymatic, I wonder what made that growling sound. I thought, is that the key plate thing? I thought that's actual pump.
Though.
What's that?
It's like 10 times better than
what
this.
Is?
Pump on the indicator.
This one?
No, my 092, 091. I keep forgetting where it actually is, like.
It's 091, I think you said.
Yeah.
What's the difference between them?
The 092 is basically an L8, an 091 is basically an L6.
Didn't they make a model that doesn't spin drain?
Yeah,
is that the L7, is it?
No, the L7 is the most basic one. My one doesn't spin drain and it's got a pump.
Would have been good to see the Electra spin drain, because I've. Yeah. See, I like machines that do that. They pump out at the end. That's the only thing I don't like about the 95s that switch off straight away.
The spins, it's like 12 seconds to pump out, and then you can still see as it's filling. It's still pumping out.
Yeah, because when it stops spinning, that's where the majority of the water's coming out and then just goes straight to fill. think Hoover were the best machines. I've always been a Hoover, but even though I grew up with Hotpoint, I think Hoover were the best.
Quality-wise, yeah.
Yeah.
For a washer person and ease of use for a normal person.
You got to wait a bit, have you?
No, it's just dodgy.
I'm sure you got to wait like 40 seconds for it or something.
Honestly, you don't.
Oh, mine, A36, I've got to wait for it.
It's just not thingy. Like I need a knife or something.